So guys, it's all working now. So guys, it's all working. Now we'll just put back all the parts and close the phone. That's it. There you go. And then we'll put back this part, and then we have to Hey, good. It's all done. Just screwing it back. Yeah. Hi guys, once again from Top 2 Mobiles with a new repair. Before start, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please make sure you subscribe the channel below for more repairs and updates. So let's start today's repair. Today we're just gonna change the audio jack of Samsung S8. That's the Samsung S8. So let's start. First we have to give the heat in the back to Unicode patterns like normal 3 to 6 minutes. Then lift the door. Then we'll open the bottom part. Let's start. After giving the heat, just try to lift it from the side, but it's still sticky, so you need to give the heat on equal patterns. After I have started taking out, the glass is a little bit tricky, so it might break, but don't worry about that. Need to change it. So here we have just opened it. Here we go. That's separate now. So what you need to do is now need to open this bottom part from here, and audio jack will be here. So let's start from here. Bottom part. I'll just open this bit in case this. So just try to lift this bottom part now from here. There you go. That just came out. So this is the audio jack which we need to remove. So just unscrew it from here. It's here, and there's the connector. Just disconnect it. There you go, and you just need to do it like it will just came out from here. This is the one. Just take it out and you just replace the new one. Right guys, so you have just taken out this audio jack. Now this is the new part, Samsung has set audio jack, which I will just put it. There you go, just insert it like this. Just push it and then connect here. It's connected, and I will try to test it. I'll just turn on and I will put the audio jack. We'll check whether it works. Here we go. So guys, we just put the audio jack back here. So now we will just put in. We'll check it's going. Yeah, it's fine. So I'll just play something. We'll check out this working. I'll just put back the back door. To connect this and then back to it. So there was already tape, so I'm just putting back as normal. That's it. You know. Right guys, sold. Right, it's Samsung S8 audio jack is done. So I hope you like the repair. Alright guys, so today we have just learned how to replace the audio jack of Samsung S8. Hope you like the repair. If you like the repairs, please like and share. If you like the repair, please do subscribe to the channel and comment below. Till the new repair.